Bitcoin tension. Do you want to know everything, the last information about the crypto world? Yes, then smash that like button because it's time for crypto news. Find on the right, crypto a tope. In today's show, we talk about the last fiasco. In this case, it's a Binance fiasco. ZZ was telling us that we had an exploit in BNB chain. They had to halt operations, and we are not sure the amount of money lost right now, but it might be $570 million, which is crazy. We'll see about the exact amount in the future. But anyway, the thing is that we had a hack and the community is not happy because of the hack and also because they stopped the chain. And so that means that this is not a decentralized chain, but a centralized one. So not very good news. Anyways, the funds are safe accordingly to the CEO of the company, but we believe, as you know, that we are better with a Ledger Nano S Plus or X. You have a lot of information in findontheright.com in crypto safety, where you have the link where you can buy the Ledger Nano S Plus or X, and a lot of free tutorials on how to use it from beginners to an expert. This is what happened. They were trying to use a bridge between chains and things go wrong. So again, we are not sure that in the future, the solution between blockchains is gonna be bridges, because as our friend Valdean de Mágico is telling us all the time, we can see that all the exploits mostly come from this kind of solutions. Also, this hack that can be, when we know the exact amount, the worst hack or the second worst hack in the history of the crypto space. And this is affecting the market for sure. We are in the red. The best are these coins, but in the worst ones, you can see that BNB is going down due to this. Also, Celsius and Lido, we'll talk about them right now. BNB going down in the past 24 hours. And I believe that as some markets are going to wake up, the price will go lower. Maybe not. Maybe they have the money. Maybe they are selling Bitcoin in order to maintain the price in certain levels. We'll see about that. We'll see if we are going with Bitcoin to retest this line. We talk a lot about this in past video. Don't miss that out. And we have to see, once we get to 19,300, if we are going to find support there and then start going up, or if we will just break the line and go south from there, something that we don't want. The smiley face is turning into a frown. We'll see. Also, if we think as we can go lower in the past lower lows, you can see that we have this line, and maybe again we find support in the $19,000 when we lost the $20,000. We talked about that in past video. We were just hanging with one arm in the 20,000 range. That was not enough, and we're going down again. We're fighting with the triangle. We're fighting with the $20,000 range. We have to break this to the upper side if possible. And we are a little bit bored with Bitcoin, because in the past weeks, we are in this range. We just have some happiness here and there because we are above the $20,000 line. But that's not enough for us. The thing is that volatility for Bitcoin is at historically low levels, and that's not usual for Bitcoin, where smoky lizards believe that can mean that we're going to go up right now. And if we have a cross between the moving average of 10 and 100, that can be the case, as it happened here in the past and it happened here too. So maybe we are going there. I believe, as you know, I'm not expert. I don't give financial advice, but I believe that everything has to do with dollar. You can see here price of Bitcoin and price of the dollar in the 1 hour chart, and you can see that it's absolutely correlated. So it's getting boring. Also here, all the rest, we have Bitcoin, but we have gold, we have a stock market, and we have then the dollar, and everything is going just the other way around. So what's going to happen? Well, we just have to have a look in the dollar. We have to go to websites like Market Watch in order to have the last information about the traditional financial markets and stock market. And there we know today that we're going to have information about jobs in United States. So we'll see about that. Also, cannabis is the big thing now in United States. The president is going to allow it, I believe. And you can see how politicians like Pelosi are taking advantage and buying stock of companies related with that. So again, we are in a rigged market. We are in a rigged world where the politicians have the information and they can buy and sell stock according to what the things that they are going to approve or not approve. We don't like that. But we like that Bitcoin is still in the green, in the monthly candle. We'll see if we find the relief we expected for October, or if the kiss of death will take us down. Also remember all the theories about the Fed, about the RSE, just watch past videos. All of those theories bringing us to 13,800 range. But Pladisu is telling us maybe things are just easier than that. Maybe what Bitcoin is doing through history is just a triangle, then a large breakdown candle, then it goes sideways for some time, and then we go up. And again a triangle, and again a large breakdown candle, and again sideways, and again we go up, and again, and again, and again. So eventually we have to start going up. We believe that. We'll see about it. In Africa, they trust that. And in Namibia Central Bank, they're saying that Bitcoin can be accepted as payment. Adoption in the world, also in Subway in Berlin. You can pay with Bitcoin Lightning Network for your food. Remember this video, we talk about McDonald's in Switzerland and how you can pay with Bitcoin too there. And you have to know that Grayscale is debuting with Bitcoin mining investment vehicle that pays mined Bitcoin as dividend. More and more financial instruments related with Bitcoin and more solutions for investing in the crypto space. Anyway, we are in extreme fear again, 23, just one day in the fear, and we're back to the extreme fear. In the crypto world, 3 top Celsius executives withdraw 42 million before crypto lender announced liquidity bottleneck. Allegedly, they did that, and that's not good. But also, did you know that Bill Gates just donated a whopping 1.27 billion towards funding the UN Agenda 2030 global goals? Guess what he is pushing as part of this? Digital ID. That was considered in the past a conspiracy theory, but right now it's a reality. And we wonder if they will use for this, because they want to control us for sure. If they will use Ethereum in order to do that. Remember that Vitalik Buterin in the past, he compared Ethereum and what he was building with Skynet from Terminator movie. If you want to learn more about this, just download Audible. You have the link in the description. It's free for 90 days and you help the channel indirectly. And there you can have the book from Vitalik Buterin that he just released. And I'm listening right now. And he just is speaking about Skynet and Terminator's movies. Also, other fiascos. South Korea arrested Yu Mu, the head of the business team of Terraform's labs. So Celsius, again Terra, Luna, all the fiascos from summertime that still playing along. Bitcoin is going down 1%, the market going down. Dogecoin is going down after the pump that Elon Musk again created. We just form a pattern of dog's head and we go back going down. Ethereum proof of work is going down, Lido is going down, and we don't understand that because the protocol is going now to Arbitrum and Optimism. So maybe you want to move your funds from STETH to WSTETH, which for me is crazy. I'm not going to use that. But you can now in layer 2 use all those transactions in packages, and so you pay a lot of less, you pay little fewer commissions, fees. So anyway, crazy for me, that's too much. And also about Shimmer, that we're going down after going up. What do you think? Did you claim already your tokens as we told you to do in the tutorial past day? Well, if so, you have to know that you can already sell them in Bitfinex. You have the link in the description if you want to do so. And it seems that some people did already sell their tokens. So here one theory that I just learned is about the market makers. And the idea is that sometimes people from protocols have a lot of tokens. They gave away the tokens with airdrops, etc., as we had with SMR, and they want to have back control, take back control again. So they need the tokens back. So what they can do is they can put a lot of selling pressure. So you are desperate and you believe you're going to lose everything. So you sell in a very low prices. They just buy the tokens there and they pump the token again once they have the control. So just have this in mind, that projects that are going to be huge in the future might have some time of desperation. Also, on the other hand, you can have a shitcoin that goes down and it will go down, and it's not a strategy and it will never go up again. So take your own risk, but research a lot. Ethereum between 1,200 and 1,400, board just waiting for Bitcoin to make a move. As I told you, Ethereum proof of work going down. What do you think? This is the case. They are trying to make you sell your coins because they want control, or this is just a shitcoin? Leave a comment below. Market down is initiating an investment of $500 million in treasuries and corporate bonds in United States. Allegedly, they want to strengthen the project's balance sheet with exposure to low-risk liquid transactional assets, but I'm not sure if going to the financial traditional system is more safe than the crypto world these days. Also, bad news for Zcash, that is being attacked with a spam. Someone is clogging up the blockchain. Bad news for them, and bad news for Cardano. That is in an 8-month low, according to staking, despite the Basil upgrade, the hard fork. So we're going down also in price. Bad news for Cardano. If you still as a believer, as we are, then you can go with the 400 riders that joined the Fanon, the Cardano on the right pool. Thank you very much. Shiba Eternity, the Shiba's game just make it to the top 20 in the App Store the first day of the release. This is a game, this is a card game similar to Hearthstone, the successful game, and we'll see if this pumps Shiba Inu or not. Right now we can see in the logarithmic scale that the queen of the meme coins is doing not so bad. It's just fighting with the price. $28 billion we have in the DeFi ecosystem, where we had another attack, another hack. This is $1 million stolen from Sovereign, the protocol. So if you were there, bad news for you, but good news if you love Spartan races, because they created an NFT where you can, with it, you pay close to $3,000, but you can go to the races, and also they guaranteed you that your ashes, once you die, would be scattered near a 35-foot tall statue in Greece. So if you want that, you can do it right now, because this is for 15,000 people, and there's already a white list that is closed. All of them sold, which is crazy. As it's crazy, thinking about the Earth 250 million years from today. And this is what is going to happen. The countries are going to get closer. Spain is going to mixture with Africa and with Italy. Is the world shrinking? Can the world get bigger or smaller? And that's why this is happening. What do you think about these crazy theories? Just write a comment below. Thank you very much. And what about this bottle that just disappears once the liquid is drunk? Well, it just automatically starts disappearing, and it's good for environment, etc., etc. That was the creator. And remember that technology evolves. We come from candles. After that, Edison created electricity, light, and he needed to use this kind of advertising and warnings in rooms with this kind of lights. Do not attempt to light with match. Simply turn key on wall by the door. People like, what? I don't need a match? How is this works? And from that, we go to the truck, Tesla semi-truck. Elon Musk is excited to announce the start of production. I need one of them, Elon Musk, and if you give one of those to me as a present, I will just create a studio in the back and I will drive all over the world with my show. Thank you very much. Now, a tip. Are you tired of spam? Well, I give you this tip on how can you have all those emails with subscriptions and unsubscriptions, and then you create a filter. It will take you just 1 minute doing it, and you create that filter and you choose a label and you type there subscriptions, and after that every email with the possibility of unsubscribing, so all the spam you get every day will go straight to that folder. And that's something that makes your life better. Just pause the video and go step by step. Thank you very much. And now for the reflection of the day, the thought of the day, we have Warren Buffett. Not just bad things from Warren Buffett. Someone's sitting in the shade today because someone planted a tree long time ago. That's smart. Thank you to all the inventors and developers from the past, the crazy people. And thank you to Jim Carrey that is giving us some very good advice too. Let's listen to him.
My father could have been a great comedian, but he didn't believe that that was possible for him. And so he made a conservative choice. Instead, he got a safe job as an accountant. And when I was 12 years old, he was let go from that safe job. And our family had to do whatever we could to survive. I learned many great lessons from my father, not the least of which was that you can fail at what you don't want. So you might as well take a chance on doing what you love.
Yes! Just take the risk, yes! And remember that 11-12 October, next week, you can buy special prices in Amazon. So use the link in the description and you will help us, our channel. Also, if you download Audible and listen to some books, you will help us too. Maybe you travel to your workplace and back every day. That's a good opportunity for using Audible. Thank you for the community that shares our information in their social networks, Twitter, etc. For example, Hippocampus is happy with our tutorial about SMR IOTA's token and how to climb it. Just watch it and watch tomorrow if you want a special edition of Fun on the Ride where we interviewed Carlos M. Jara, and he is a composer. He is our neighbor in Twitch. You can watch our live show every day in Twitch, and he's called Sol Family Radios there. Just follow them, please. We want him to go to 1,000 followers. Please help us with that. Thank you very much. He's a really good composer, so maybe you can hire him. He's been working in Netflix, in a lot of movies. So just use the link in the description to his website and watch tomorrow's video. And right now for the cat section, this cat is so dumb as myself. He wants to go in, but we tell him, the door's open. Why are you fighting that hard? The opportunity is there. Just take it. Okay, so the door's open? Oh, okay, I didn't realize that. This cat, as crazy as myself, he is so stubborn and he's obsessed with the crypto world. I fit. And finally, as you can see, the cat fits in the box. This one is digging. He's digging because he believes that he invested very good and he's gonna buy things that he will hide there after digging and digging. What about these things? They're playing in the tunnel. They're having fun. So life can be very simple. If you have friends, you can have fun easily. Also, you can play with them and you can play with gravity as this cat that won't fall, even that the friend is trying him to fail. What about this thing? This is a ghost bird in South America. If I see this, I start running and you won't catch me in a lifetime. What about this man frog? The world is changing already. I'm so scared about it. and this dog that just tried the lemon, so acid. I hate it. I don't like it at all, but I'm gonna try it again and again. This dog is more clever, it's smarter, it's more smart, and he is eating the peel of an apple because he knows that this is where the vitamins are. So do that and do not lick lemons. Or you can eat a watermelon like the watermelon in our logo, and so you have a really nice weekend with your friends, with your dog friends and cat friends and everybody, as this dog so happy just in the street, just having a walk. So go to the street, have fun, forget about Binance, forget about the crypto world, forget about Bitcoin. And on Monday, we'll have a new crypto news show here in Fun on the Ride. Health, money, love, party in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon! Crypto a tope!